So that was just the cold startup on our project car, this 2019 Mazda MX-5 Miata. And it's a cold startup with the Greddy Supreme SP exhaust. So I have both the axle back installed now and the mid-pipe. For those of you new to the channel, I have been testing out the various exhausts from Greddy and from Goodwin Racing. I install the axle back first, then the mid-pipe. I run it on a dyno, run some sound tests, and you'll be able to hear and see the differences between the various exhausts, stock, Goodwin Racing, and this Greddy Supreme SP. So just recently I did the dyno on just the axle back, and we were able to get, if you're interested to find out how much horsepower we got, take a look at the video. I'll leave a link in the description below. So now that we ran the dyno on just the axle back, I installed the mid-pipe section, larger diameter mid-pipe. Definitely already I can hear it, definitely adds a different tone. It's a little bit louder, but let's find out exactly how much louder it is. And we're gonna run some sound tests today. That was the cold startup. We're gonna run a test at idle. We're gonna see how it sounds both inside the car, outside the car, running it on the highway, different RPMs and different gears. If you're interested in seeing the difference between the axle back and the axle back with the mid-pipe and compare that to stock, then stay tuned. Before we continue, please consider subscribing, turn on the notifications so you're made aware of future videos. Hey, and if you like this video, hit the like button. So let's jump into this. Definitely hear a drone. These shifts have been about 3,000 RPMs. I'm cruising between 2,000 and 3,000. This is just above 3,000 in fifth gear. 55, 65, but a little bit of wind noise. But you definitely can hear the exhaust. A little bit of droning. Definitely have more wind noise at this speed. Midpipe definitely makes it louder, and it takes a little longer before the wind can take over the sound of the exhaust. But still, at some point, as your speed builds, the wind noise overcomes the sound of the exhaust, assuming you're not, shifting at red line. Just cruising at 55, and there's plenty of wind noise as it is. Definitely plenty of wind noise, but underneath the wind noise you can hear that underlying drone from the exhaust. So I'm sure most of the decibel readings are coming from the wind, but I can hear it. I can hear that drone from the exhaust underneath it. Same as at 65 miles per hour, lots of wind noise, but you can still hear the underlying exhaust underneath the wind noise.